If you've always desired more freedom, independence, and wealth, creating passive income streams is one of the finest methods to increase your income, with minimum long-term effort. In essence, to make money, you perform most of the work up front, to have the benefit of a little labor later. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Vending machines. A vending machine's location has to be in a prominent area, with consistent foot traffic if it is to be profitable. A machine won't make money if it isn't positioned to succeed, with its intended audience. The owner must deduct their company expenditures from gross profit, to get the total earnings. Profit is anything that is left over. Number 2. Invest in stocks and bonds. When examining the sources of income of the world's wealthiest, it is very clear that stocks have played a significant part in their success. While buying stocks is a rather passive activity, the research that goes into it is active. Consider this passive income idea. But, keep up with changes in the markets. Number 3. Blogging. Blogging is the source of yet another well-liked passive income stream. Numerous business owners have used blogging to generate passive income. Building a successful blog might require a lot of early work. But, the primary benefit is that it can be used to generate several streams of revenue. Therefore, blogging is one of your best alternatives, if seeking for a simple passive income stream. Number 4. Investing in real estate. Real estate purchases can be a great method to generate passive income, depending on where and when you buy. As with any investment, it can be risky if you're new to the game. It's advisable to consult with a real estate agent to assist you in selecting the ideal investment property. If you need one, we have an excellent real estate agent's contact info in the description box below. We have articles on millionaire passive income ideas in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 5. Own ATMs. Automatic teller machines, ATMs, is often highly profitable. Owning an ATM generates a consistent flow of cash, and offers excellent tax advantages. Plus, you get to do nothing while others use the ATMs you own, bringing in money. Number 6. Buying an existing business. There are many types of businesses to choose from. Some online, which is our favorite. Even though running a passive income business has many advantages, it's not always simple to discover one that works for you. Buying an existing business allows you to spend time creating and working on a second one, to increase your income. There are countless ways to benefit from the flexibility that a successful business brings. Number 7. Creating tutorials. One of the most well-known, and lucrative, ways to create passive income is by creating courses, and/or tutorials. You can continue to earn passive income, after releasing a lesson into the market, for years to come. Once you start, we don't recommend creating a 2-hour course that covers all you know. By doing this you will likely become exhausted, and overwhelmed. Instead, to get the most out of your time and efforts, start off small and gradually increase. Number 8. Outsource your work. This is one of our favorite ideas. Hiring people to do the work to generate passive income is a strategy the rich have been utilizing for years. Once you master the fundamentals, you can use the extra help and existing talents to advance in any industry. This method is one of our favorites because, through this route, the possibilities are truly endless. Your earnings can be significantly increased by passive incomes. The suggestions on this list might help you if you're wanting to add another source, so you can secure your financial future. Discover that there is money to be made in all of these sectors, whether you want to establish a dropshipping business, your own agency, or produce successful content. To create passive income, you just need to simply begin. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more millionaire videos for you.